Software as a Service, or SaaS, is a cloud offering that provides users with access to a service provider's cloud-based software. SaaS providers maintain the servers, databases, and code that constitute an application. They also manage access to the application, including security, availability, and performance. Applications reside on a remote cloud network, and users use these applications without having to maintain and update the infrastructure. Core business process supported by SaaS today include email and collaboration via offerings such as Microsoft's Office 365 and Google's Gmail, customer relationship management via services such as NetSuite CRM and Salesforce, human resource management via services from Workday and SAP SuccessFactors, financial management, billing and collaboration, and many more. According to Forrester Research, SaaS has overtaken on-premises solutions in categories such as human capital management, HCM, customer relationship management, CRM, and collaboration. Solutions once available with several different deployment options are now SaaS only. Let's look at key characteristics of software as a service. SaaS clouds have a multi-tenant architecture. Infrastructure and code are maintained centrally and accessed by all users. SaaS makes it easy for users to manage privileges, monitor data use, and ensure everyone sees the same information at the same time. Security, compliance, and maintenance are all part of the offering. In SaaS, customizations are often limited. However, some SaaS applications may allow certain types of customizations, like branding. They can modify data fields and enable or disable features within the business process. These customizations are preserved through upgrades. Users pay for the use of the services via a subscription model. The use of a resource can be scaled easily, depending on service needs. Key benefits of adopting SaaS. Businesses can directly procure solutions without upfront capital and assistance from IT, greatly reducing the time from decision to value from months to days. SaaS greatly increases workforce productivity and efficiency. Users can access core business apps from wherever. They can also buy and deploy apps in minutes, reducing the typical obstacles enterprises have to test the products they might use. Using SaaS applications, individuals and small enterprises can spread out their software costs over time. Let's look at some use cases for SaaS. Organizations are moving to SaaS for their core business needs as part of their strategic transformation to reduce on-premises IT infrastructure and reduce capital expenditure. Organizations are leveraging SaaS to avoid the need for ongoing upgrades, maintenance, and patching, done traditionally by internal IT resources. Applications run reliably with minimal input, for example, email servers and office collaboration and productivity tools. Organizations are increasingly opting for SaaS e-commerce platforms to manage their websites, marketing, sales, and operations. With SaaS, organizations are able to take advantage of the resilience and business continuity of the cloud provider. Enterprises are now developing SaaS integration platforms, or SIPs, for building additional SaaS applications, moving SaaS beyond standalone software functionality to a platform for mission-critical applications. SaaS does evoke some concerns as well, primary among them being data ownership and data safety. Security is an important consideration when you're allowing a third party to maintain business-critical data, and application access relies on a good network connection. But the benefits far outweigh the concerns, with SaaS making up the largest segment of the cloud market today.